بئس للظالمين بدلا, meaning that how evil in exchange for the wrongdoers, meaning that Allah gave them deen. Deen is sa'ada, which is Islam. Allah has blessed us with sa'ada, al-Islam, the religions of Islam. But yet the weak-minded people, the wrongdoers, will abandon the deen in order to get this materialistic benefit in this life. بئس للظالمين بدلا. A Muslim who does not pray. Why? Oh, I am busy working. بئس للظالمين بدلا. That is a wrong exchange for you to sell your dunya, to sell your akhirah with dunya. It is as if Allah has given you Jannah, Allah has given you the means to get Jannah, but you are changing the dynamic of that to expound in the love of dunya, to just go about whatever might please your desire in this temporary life in exchange of your akhirah, which is the everlasting hayat. Our deen is for sa'ad, is for peace, is for tranquility, is for happiness, joy. So how can you change Islam with dunya, with something that will bring stress upon you? Islam says that we should not commit fornication, marry, but you have changed that to something that will bring harm upon you. It will bring displeasures upon you. It will make you sick. It will cause you to be sick with diseases that you never know the magnitude. It will cause poverty upon you. So Islam teaches us that we should behave properly with moral conduct. How can you leave that to exchanges with lie, betraying others, stabbing others in their back, talking harm about others, even though Islam is saying that it is haram? So do not exchange khair that Allah has given us through the deen of Islam to evil that might fulfill your desire in this life. How many people out there, they are neglecting their salat, they don't pay their zakat, they don't speak truth, they don't show kindness to their parents, and all these are exchange of fulfilling their desire. They are either seeking material, they are either seeking joy, they are either seeking dunya, and all what we just mentioned, they are temporary. Bilal bin Rabah, he was a great companion of the Prophet ﷺ. In Mecca, Umayyah bin Khalaf tortured him, punished him in order for him to exchange Islam with polytheism. He would drag him under the sun of Mecca, but he refused, said, Ahadun Ahad. No, I will not turn my back upon the deen of Allah. I am Muslim. Ammar bin Yasir, him, his mother, his father were tortured for them to exchange their deen with polytheism, and they refused. The Nabi ﷺ used to pass by them while they have been tortured, and he would say to them, Sabran ala Yasir, fa inna maw'idakum al-jannah. Have patience, the family of Yasir, because you will be granted Jannah. Khabib bin Rabi', Musaylamah al-Kadhab, said to him, say, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa anna Musaylamah al-Kadhab Rasulullah. Say that you believe in Allah, but you believe that Musaylamah al-Kadhab is a prophet. He said, I won't exchange my deen. My deen is Islam. I testify that Allah is one and Muhammad ﷺ is Rasul. So what he did was that he said to him, I'm going to cut you into pieces. And he said, go ahead, but I am not going to change my deen for dunya. So brothers Islam, keep your deen. Do not exchange your deen with dunya. Know very well that this life is temporary. Know very well that whatever disobedience that you're doing towards Allah in your hayat, it is just temporary. But the adab will remain. It will be recorded and the adab will stay. So seek forgiveness from Allah and do what is good, and do not exchange your deen with evil. Do good, but do not do evil. هذا وصلى اللهم على نبينا محمد.